How to create X or Twitter account. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded X app on your device. If not, you can head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app X and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of page. Now over here you'll find the option of create account. Click on that. Now you have to provide these details. Type in your name, type in your email address, then select your date of birth. After you fill up these, click on next. Now you will be receiving verification code in the email address that you have just entered, so close this and check your mail. So you can see that Access sent me the mail. You will also receive similar kind of mail. Open the mail and copy the code. Now type in that code over here. After you type in the code, click on next. Now generate password for your account. Once we are done, click on sign up. Now you can pick a profile picture or also you can use the emojis. Then click on next. Now generate username for your account. After you are done, click on next. Click on continue. Click on OK. Now here you can select what you want to see on your X account. Then click on next. And just with that you have created your X account. So this way you can easily sign up for X account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.